It's the MWC 2019 in Barcelona right now, and Huawei has brought its foldable smartphone, the Mate X. This is a direct competitor to Samsung's Galaxy Fold, which we saw just before the Barcelona conference at an Unpacked event in San Francisco. We've now seen foldable phones from the two largest smartphone manufacturers in the world. We were able to go hands-on with the Mate X and bring you this footage. The first thing you'll notice is that unlike the Galaxy Fold, which folds inwards like a book, the Mate X has a single screen on the outside that folds outwards. When fully open or in tablet mode, you're looking at an 8-inch OLED display that's almost square. It's actually 8 by 7.1. It doesn't half look magnificent though. Close it up into phone mode, however, and you'll create two screens, a 6.6-inch and a 6.4-inch. It's an interesting design choice that means when it's folded, all of the screen remains on the outside. What that means for fingerprints and scratches, however, we'll only know over time. Huawei is calling this its Falcon Wing hinge system, which sounds really rather fancy. The big advantage of this design though is that Huawei has managed to keep this foldable phone remarkably sleek. When open, it's 5.4mm thick, and even when closed, it's only 11mm thick. If you were put off by the chunkiness of the Galaxy Fold, you'll be delighted to see it doesn't have to be that way. In terms of software, the Mate X is running Android with Huawei EMUI customization over the top. It has of course been fine-tuned to account for the flexible display. It can automatically detect if the Mate X is open or closed, for example, and adjust the screen accordingly. The chipset is HiSilicon's Kirin 980, and the Mate X already supports 5G. The Huawei Mate X is going to be available in Europe this summer, and the price announced on stage was enormous, €2,229. That's $2,600 if you convert it today. For comparison, the Galaxy Fold was announced at $1,980. Stay tuned to AndroidPIT.com for all the latest news on foldable smartphones and the MWC conference in Barcelona.